Alright, let's talk about integrating AI models from Llama. For this tutorial, make sure you have Llama installed and a model ready. Open your terminal, type Llama, then Llama list to see available models. I've got DEEPSEEK-R1 here with about 1.5 billion parameters. You can choose any model, but 1.5 billion is quite small. For better results, there are models with up to 671 billion parameters. That's the current limit. I picked the smallest, 1 GB, but you should aim for 32 GB or so. I can't imagine how a 671 billion parameter model would perform. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So how do we integrate any type of model? In this case, I'm using DEEPSEEK-R1 with 1.5 billion parameters, which you might have, and I've created this script. You can modify this script however you like. It's important to note that these usage instructions are available on the Llama platform, I think in the docs section or on GitHub, but honestly I've been using the cloud version, so what code have I used? Basically, I've imported Llama. We're in VS Code using Python. The Python version doesn't really matter, but you'll need to open the terminal and use pip. You'll type pip and then Llama. I'll show you the pip command here. If you're using a different Python version than the recommended one, you might need to specify the path where you want pip to install. Well, if you've worked with Python before, you'll already have this, right? But for example, I need to do this, okay? I need to set the path where I have Python 3.10 installed, all right? See, it says 310. Then I need to add pip. Got it? I'm mentioning this in case anyone has this issue. Once we've imported Llama, I've just added this simple code to define the messages variable, okay? The message is what's in the cloud author's content, basically assigning a user role, right? The content we're sending is give a number from 1 to 10, just the number, no explanation. And the response we'll get will be from Llama chat, all right? Llama.chat with parentheses, model and important model equals DEEPSEEK-R1, okay? This is the model we had here, right? The model we want to use. The message we want to send is the same as what we have here, okay? So once we've received the response, we simply print it out, right? We just print the answer, okay? That's it. It's that easy. Now, let's hit run, okay? Run terminal, and you'll see how it gives me the answer, okay? So it tells me the number from 1 to 10 is 7. There it is, see? I'll delete it and run it again. Remember, this has 1.5 trillion parameters, okay? As you can see, it gives different answers. With a more powerful one, it'd work better. This works with any other model type, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.